ChatGPT is selling ads, and they are already showing up inside AI-generated answers. It's happening right now, and most marketers have no idea these ads even exist. I'm Victoria, and I help brands understand how they show up in AI search. Today I'll show you what these ads actually look like, which brands are already buying them, and what this means for your brand before AI advertising goes mainstream. Let's start with what you're already seeing. When ChatGPT shows a sponsored result, it appears as a branded card inside the conversation. It has a logo, a headline, a short description, and a link. It's clearly marked sponsored, and it stands out visually from the AI's regular text. Here's an example. You ask ChatGPT for suggestions for a trip to New York. It gives you a list of what to visit and try. And at the bottom, there's an ad. It doesn't blend into the answer. You can see it's different, but it's there, inside the conversation, right next to the AI's organic recommendations. This is new territory. We're used to seeing ads in Google results. They sit at the top, clearly separated, and most users have learned to scroll past them. In ChatGPT, the ad lives inside the answer itself. You can tell it's an ad, but it sits right next to the recommendations the AI generated on its own. What makes this significant isn't that the ads are hidden. They are not. It's that they appear inside a conversation users trust as a personal recommendation. The ad borrows the trust of the whole conversation. We've been tracking this through our ad radar. It monitors sponsored placements inside ChatGPT across different countries and categories. The ads are live across multiple markets. We've seen them in Australia, Japan, the UK, and the other regions. The most active categories right now: shopping and retail, electronics and home appliances, and everyday essentials. In the past month, 3 of the most frequent ad buyers were Booking.com, Amazon, and Fiverr. These are the brands that already invest heavily in digital advertising. Booking.com alone is one of the top performance marketing spenders globally. Here's the question every marketer should be asking. What happens to organic AI visibility when the paid placements enter the conversation? We've seen this pattern before. With Google, organic results got pushed down over time. Feature snippets got squeezed. Ads took the top position for high-intent commercial queries. That shift happened gradually, but it happened. Now we don't know yet if ChatGPT ads replace an organic recommendation or appear alongside it. That's an important distinction. If a competitor's branded card shows up next to your organic mention, that affects the user's decision. And if ads eventually start taking priority placement, the pattern from Google could repeat. The strategic question is real. Do you need to be present in both organic and paid AI results? And how do you even know when a competitor starts advertising in your category? Right now, most teams have zero visibility into this. They don't know if competitors are advertising inside ChatGPT. They don't know which prompts are triggering sponsored results. They are working on organic AI visibility without any awareness of the paid layer. First, don't file this under things to think about later. Ads are running inside ChatGPT today. Real brands, real budgets, real placements. Second, start monitoring. Even if you're not ready to buy AI ads, you should know who is buying them in your category, which brands, on which prompts, in which markets. That competitive intelligence shapes your strategy whether you buy ads or not. Third, invest in organic AI visibility now. If the Google playbook repeats, organic placements will become harder to get as paid placements grow. Brands that build strong organic visibility early on will have an advantage when the landscape gets more competitive. We saw this with SEO. The brands that invested early in organic search maintained an edge even after Google Ads made many queries pay to play. Trendus tracks both organic AI visibility and sponsored placements throughout our ad radar. You can see who's advertising inside ChatGPT, which categories they are targeting, and how it overlaps with organic recommendations. Free plan in the description. We have more videos on how AI search visibility works. Check them out and we'll see you there.